guys? This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. So let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. It's Sunday, guys, so let's go straight to my weekly analysis. So here's US30. Let's go to NASDAQ. So what happens here, guys? I think my network is a bit slow. So when we do the daily analysis, guys, we go with daily. Why? Because it's a daily analysis, you see. So I will just start with my daily analysis here. So what happened last week? As you can see, we saw the market going up very crazy. So but by the look, it seems like the market can still push a little bit higher before it can push back, before we can see another sell-off. I think the market can still push higher. We've seen these things happen, guys, for some time now. Look, even here, after we showed that sell-off, look at this crazy move. Look at this crazy move. So let's look at something again, similar stuff, similar thing that happened after a major sell-off. Look at this sell-off. Look at how the market went up. So we just compare the history and look what might happen. So you don't have to complicate things. You just have to follow your strategy and see what we can expect. So what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting something like this. I'm expecting something like this. Something like this before we see maybe another sell-off. I don't know, maybe you can able to see those candlesticks, but since it's a daily time frame, I think they're not really visible, so it's fine. Let me just try to zoom that. So as you can see, guys, on the daily time frame, it's not easy to see everything. Let me just, or maybe let me not delete clear this, because we're still going to go to a bit small time frame. So but you can see that around this zone, guys, we had, let me do with the very bright color, we saw a resistance here, you see. Then the market sold off, we saw a support here, so we can throw that. But at the moment, this area at like 14,900 or 14,960 is going to be our next support. It means when the market is going up, we can expect the market to come back here before we can say what we can go. The market can go up. Look, this is a daily time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, we can see some different things. But remember, when we see the market, sometimes we have to cover the market on all different time frames so that you can see the bigger picture on what's really happening, you see. Because we saw that something like this happened, and even here we can see, we can see something that might happen. But at the moment, I'm still very bullish on NASDAQ. That's why I'm still expecting the market to go higher. But I don't think that the market will just jump straight up. The market will just go up and down. Then after that, maybe after a week or two, maybe the market will then sell off, you see. So let's use a different time frame and see what we might get. Let's just use 4 hours, because daily time frame is like quite big. Okay, I just want to show you something. Yeah, you see, so whatever that I was showing you, it's around this area. You can throw that. You can see even here, this candlestick, they had this we can say resistance, or now it's going to be like our support. So it means we're still bullish, but remember, the market can still have that sell-off before going up, that sell-off before going up, because we still have this support here. Let me just make that clear. Yeah, maybe a little bit, yeah, something like this. Let me remove this because it's where I bought, where we bought on Friday. Then we had some nice profits. So around this area, guys, you can see around this area. So it means this is another area where we can say this is going to be what our support, our next support. We can look at this area. It's like 15,000. It's just on a perfect spot. So we can, the market can still push higher, but remember, we still have the support again. you see. So what can happen, what we expect is, we just expect the market to push up, go down, push up, go down, push up, go down. Until we see a crazy move, we still going to push up, we still going to place only buy. So next week, guys, if this support is not broken, don't even think about selling NASDAQ. So it means we're still bullish on NASDAQ. As always, we're still bullish on NASDAQ. So I don't think maybe there's much that I can show you. Maybe tomorrow things will be like in a different structure. Maybe I'll show you what you can expect from NASDAQ. But at the moment, things are still bullish. But from this point, I can't expect anyone to buy from this area. We can expect a small sell-off. Then you can get your market around those areas. When you see that, you can still have those breakouts, whatever, then way you can buy. But at the moment, think about buying. Why? Because the market is still moving above our resistance, our support. You see, if the market is moving above your support, what do? Why? Because we trade with trends. I follow trends, so it means everything is above my trend. It means I will only buy. I will only look for those lower highs where I'm going to have some nice entries. Sometimes those entries, they want, not sometimes, almost most of the time, these entries, they won't be perfect. These areas, they won't be perfect, but when we draw at them, we can see that, okay, even this area, we can expect something but to happen like that. Even sometimes you can have some consolidation before the market is pushing up. But remember, we need to get the market around these areas. It's where, when the market is there, it's going to bounce back. When the market is here, it's going. Let me just draw that again, or let me just show you with a rectangle, a solid one. Maybe let's use maybe green one here. You see this? I thought maybe it will be solid, or let me use this one. Okay, you see this area, this area, this area, this area, and this area. So we expecting something like that to continue. Think about that before you even go to the market, you see. So this is going to make your job very easy. Why? Because you have a clear picture, even if that is not happening at the moment, but you will have that clear we have a clear picture that the market can do something like this. But if it's just blank, what will you do? You'll be just, when the market is going down, you'll be crazy trying to sell here. The market is going up. You'll think maybe the market is just against you. Have a bigger picture in the market so that you can just try to minimize your losses, so that you can stay longer in the game, guys. You know how nice it is to stay in the game longer. You lose today, tomorrow you make some profits. It's very nice, you see. So let's go straight to US30 and see what we can expect for this week. Let's see. US30, guys, while this thing is still loading, please just hit the subscribe button. Let's make the channel grow bigger, guys. We can reach different highs thanks to everyone who already subscribed. So let me just push to maybe 1 hour first, so that you can see why I drawn this white resistance here. So let me just push it a bit lower. Yeah, something like this. So this is an area. So this is a area. It is a resistant area. It's been there for some time now, you see, since May, I think. So the market has been respecting this area for some time. So at the moment, since we are very close to that, let me just go back to a 4-hour time frame. I just wanted to show you that that area has been there for some time. So since the market is there, we just have to be sure, or to make sure, that the market doesn't give us those fake breakouts, and we don't want to fall under that. Because if you buy here, just see what happens here. Even here, something like that might happen. So you should have that mentality of seeing things before they even happen, you see. Let me remove this. They are no longer useful. So what I'm expecting here, I think, as this area has been respected several times, you can see if this area is being respected, even here that might be possible. But the thing is, this area is tested several times, so it means this area can be broken also, you see. So the best thing that you can do here, just have that you should think outside the box. Don't think maybe the market will just go lower like that, even if that is possible. But just think about the, like, if the market also break this area, it means we can still have another bar. If maybe we have a sell here, still we can, if maybe the market respect this area, we can have a sell. So to have two options, guys, helps you not to hold on one position. Why? Because let's say maybe I say, okay guys, let's sell. Why? Because maybe we have an evidence, some evidence that the market, when it reaches this area, we saw like a sell-off. Then I say, guys, we can sell. Then maybe once we say sell, it goes little bit with maybe pips, sell off maybe with only 5 pips in small profits, then boom, the market goes up. Remember, when you have two options, it's easy to close the positions. You're not going to hold for the position and say maybe it's going to play whatever. Then no, you don't think about that. Why? You have double option. You have two options. You know what might happen. It means when the market is going against you, you don't hold on those positions. You just close and you minimize your losses. And when the market keeps going higher, you see a different picture. You can have another buy. It means you lost some here, then you can have some profits. It's easy to recover when you have like double options. But if you just have like one option, it means when you just see a sell here, it means you're still going to keep on that. And even when you see you are in deep negative, you don't close and you're waiting for what? Maybe it will turn down. So that is just a mind game that you should change. Try to change that and make sure have two options. If you don't have two options, know that there's something wrong, because it's impossible for you to say I'm 100% sure that the market is going to go lower. What if it goes up? What will happen? You're still going to hold on that position. So yeah, I hope maybe I taught you something. So on this one here, we have like double options, or I mean two options. Whether the market will respect this area, maybe we can see a sell-off. What we're going to do maybe tomorrow, we're going to draw a resistance line, like a support line like that. Let me just show you that. Let's go to a 2-hour time frame, a bit smaller, because this is a weekly analysis. Maybe we can draw support like this, because this area is where the market let me just do it like that. It's where the market respected, I mean this area is also respected. You can see the market was just moving above that. So for you to sell, it means you can wait for the market to do what? To break this area. You see, if it breaks this area, then it's where you can say maybe you can just sell around this area. Don't sell here and say I want to sell here because I see that the market is now trying to go lower. No, you don't act smart on the market. The market will always humbles you. You see, the market will humble you, humbles you if you act smart. So act smart in the right way. Then that way is how you work smart. You see, maybe you don't understand that, but I hope you understand. Some they will understand. So after that, if the market doesn't go lower, doesn't break this area, this support, it means actually it's like a wedge. Then we will wait for the market to break this area. It's either you're waiting for the market to close above, or maybe you can just wait for a retest. Then it's where you can say, now I'm free, like it's safe to buy. It's not always safe, but at least you have a view or a nice structure that is showing you to buy. You see, sometimes we lose, it's fine, but most of the time we always make money because we have a strategy. You see, actually you don't need to know so many things in trading, as long as you have that trading plan, that strategy that you follow, and you make sure that every day you follow that. Then I don't think maybe you need much. That is everything that you want in the market. But it's not simple, because the market plays with your emotions, so you won't think that it's easy, you see, and it's not really easy. So let's go straight to gold, guys. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Let's grow the channel. So here it's gold, guys. Gold is been like playing around last week. So, or before I show you that, let me show you my special, and I have the other one which ends. So guys, I have a nice special for you. It's a system, guys. If you purchase the system, I'm also going to give you a free robot, which is going to just be for free in the group. There's another group for the system. So at the moment it's still $35, but this moment this price is ending today, so it's going back to $50. If you want to talk to me, here it's my WhatsApp, my Telegram, PayPal. Then from tomorrow, please guys, don't ask me about the special because I've been preaching about this every day, right? I hope we are on the same page. So let me show you another thing. Sorry. These are some of my profits. I just want to show you something. Okay, we have this. It's VIP. You can see the price. If you want that, talk to me. Another one, this is a starter pack. If you want the signals, please, it's NASDAQ, US30 and gold. It's only that. It's $15. You see, WhatsApp me or Telegram me, then you'll find me. Then we will talk. I will join the group. Then start to eat like us. So thanks for that. So let's go to gold, guys. So on gold, I won't even go to like 4 hour or whatever. So because everything is still the same, you can see that this thing is still like consolidating. You can see that it's still consolidating. That's why I said it's not really nice to buy or sell at the moment. This area here, the market is just consolidating. When the market is consolidating, guys, it means that there is like 50-50 like bullish and bearish momentum. It means there's people who are willing to sell, and there's people who are willing to buy in the market. So that's why you will see the market going up and down, you see. But after some time, obviously the market you will see the market breaking higher or breaking lower. It means now there is more buyers or more sellers. So at the moment, you just need to stay out in the on gold, because from these areas most of you may be lost. I never took a trade here. If we took, we lost some, but I don't really like to take a trade when the market is consolidating. Remember, we trade with trend trading, so we wait for the market to give us something like that or something like this. Then this one, the market is going lower. This one, the market is going up. This one, the market is just playing around. You will lose, so you don't have to stuck in the market like this. So I won't talk much about gold today, but remember, we're going to talk about it tomorrow. Maybe the market will be here, then we're going to talk about something like that. So I don't want to add like something like I don't want to add too much information on something which there is no movement at the moment. But tomorrow is still another day. We're still going to go through those daily analysis. Please guys, follow the channel. Just follow me on Instagram, sorry, on Telegram. Check my description, you will find my Telegram. Then the contacts are there, everything's there. Please don't ask anyone about my contacts, because they will just give you the wrong information. So the best thing is check the description, check the video, then you will just find my contacts. Easy as that, you see. So thank you guys for watching. This is Kenzo Extra Forex. Bow.